We talked before about ease of use being sort of a principle that Distillery tries to kind of embed into everything that we do. It seems like the CTV industry today, as it is very complex, fragmented, and kind of difficult to navigate. Tell me more about how KORTX is able to sort of deliver that sort of true customer benefit that you talked about to small businesses in the context of that more fragmented, maybe less easy to use environment.
This is one of those topics that I think we could talk about deeply for 60 minutes, so I'll keep it high level. There are a handful of elements that we package together. KORTX Intelligence is a research component that helps identify viewer consumption trends, habits, behaviors. Big piece of just knowing where your audience is. The validation piece of that would be Axon, so looking at their website data, being able to analyze those trends, integrate them into a strategy. When we go then to deploy the campaigns, there's roughly 20 publishers that we include in a mix that are at a pretty cost-efficient CPM. So you're getting research, you're getting the audience management solution, you're getting a good publisher mix. The other piece of it is a piece of tech that we built out in-house called KORTX Campaign Advantage. What that is a nightly split optimization process that occurs when we look at all the tactics that can be on a plan. You know, CTV buyer wants to think about a demographic set. Maybe it's more of a contextual play that they want to have. We're stack ranking all the tactics that are on a campaign. The winners rise to the top, the losers go to the bottom. So for our CTV buyers, it gives them a lot of flexibility to test different approaches to that medium, which in a lot of different spaces, programmatic can be pretty restrictive. You work with vendors on line item minimums, on different rate structures based on the media type of the product that you're using. We wanted to remove all those barriers. So that would really be the fourth one. The fifth piece is Canvas, that reporting suite. You can go in at any time. You can look at real-time metrics as to where your campaign sits. If we're placing tags on your website to look at some type of online attribution, whether that be a form completion, a purchase, a white paper download, coupon redemption, there's a lot of different elements there. Even QR codes are another one that's kind of making its way in. So for us, it's that holistic approach. Again, like I said, I could go in and talk about each one of those in very, very detail, but to package that all together for our customers, each one of those on their own, is it all that unique? Debatable. But when we package it, that's something that we feel very strongly about that no one else is really bringing to the mid-market.